Have you noticed how quickly data engineering is evolving? Cloud platforms, AI, machine learning, it is enough to make your head spin. But don't worry, today I'll be breaking this all down exactly to tell you what you need to thrive in this rapidly changing landscape. I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the evolving world of data engineering, let you know what the essential skills are that you need, and how you can build a standout portfolio that will set you apart. Let's jump in. Data engineering has exploded in recent years, from cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP to the adoption of serverless computing and real-time analytics. The way we handle data is constantly changing. And then there's AI and machine learning. Today, data engineers aren't just building pipelines. We are managing large-scale data sets, deploying machine learning models, and ensuring that data quality is reliable, whole, and accurate. By 2025, data engineers will need more than just SQL, Python, and some basic cloud skills. You're going to need a solid grasp of distributed systems, data governance, compliance regulations like GDPR and CCPA, and the ability to secure scalable pipelines. Now, before jumping straight into the latest trends, you've got to build a strong technical foundation. You need to master big data technologies, understand SQL, Python, Spark, Kafka, cloud data warehousing. Understand data modeling and architecture. Be sure that you are comfortable with principles like star schema, data warehousing concepts, and building effective data models. Have some real-world experience. Find a way to showcase your abilities by contributing to open source projects, engage with data engineering communities, and participate in hackathons. Let's talk portfolios. A good portfolio isn't just a collection of projects. It is your story as a data engineer. You need to have some technical projects. Include projects that demonstrate your ability to build data pipelines, to integrate analytics, and work with some machine learning. Make sure that they're showing off your problem-solving skills. Highlight projects where you were able to solve some real-world data challenges or optimized some complex data processes. Tell your story. Each project that you show should reflect your passion, your excitement, your growth, and how you're able to overcome challenges and adversity. Employers love to see your journey, not just your final result. Think of your portfolio like a movie trailer. It needs to excite people and make them want to know more about you and your skills. Do you need some inspiration? Here are some ideas that are going to help you to create some portfolio projects that are going to impress recruiters. Number one, real-time data pipelines with Kafka and Spark. Build a pipeline that ingests, processes, and delivers real-time data insights. This is going to show your skills with modern high-speed data engineering tools. Cloud data warehouse building. Use AWS or Redshift or Azure Synapse to build scalable serverless warehouses, highlighting your ability to manage big data effectively and efficiently. Machine learning integration. Develop a model for predicting customer behavior, automating decisions, or identifying trends. This really helps to prove your ability to combine data engineering with some advanced analytics. Each of these projects shows that you are not just technically capable, but also innovative and forward-thinking. These are just kind of some straw structures of what you need to work on. When you are looking at the type of data that you're going to put into these projects, make sure that you are passionate and excited about that data. That way, it is going to be that much easier for that passion, excitement, and enthusiasm to come through when you're showing it off to your future boss. Now, I want to hear from you. What project excites you the most out of these? Are you ready to build a real-time pipeline? Dive into maybe some cloud data warehousing? Or are you ready to tackle machine learning? Let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if I could help you in any way. The world of data engineering might be rapidly evolving, but with the right foundation and a strong portfolio, you are going to stay ahead of the curve. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more practical data engineering tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video or on Friday nights at 10 p.m. for our live AMAs.